Right now we have arrived at what might be one of the most exciting videos in this course, because now we're going to finally bring that turret to life and animate the effects and make him shoot. So first thing, let's get rid of that old turret that we had, the little cube that we had as placeholder, by doing edit and then delete. So we'll clean that up. And next, let's make sure that, for example, the Falcon cannons are not messing up our collision script. So let's select the entire turret body and then put the layer back to default, and then this object only, and then turn it to ignore raycast once again, and let's apply it to all the children as well. So just to make sure that if your settings are a little different than mine or whatever, that we don't have any collision problems. Perfect. Now we need to actually do something about the turret, because right now it's kind of like looking lame. The flames are sort of spraying out quite boringly, and it would be a lot cooler if this would actually blink as the turret would be attacking us. So we'll look at that right now, and it has to do with a little bit of script here and there. So let's open up our turret control script, and let's scroll all the way down and add some code to the bottom. Or first, let's define some variables. Let's define a variable left flame and then the variable right flame. Now these will be game objects. Alright, let's save the script, go back to our turret body, and then scroll down to where we can see the flame, and let's drag the effects right on top of them. So the P barrel left should be on the left one, and the P barrel right should be on the right one. Okay, now that we have those, let's also change the look of them just a tad. I'm selecting this one and then the other one at the same time, and let's move them into the cannons deeper, so that it really gives the effect as if the flames are inside of these Falcon cannons. Alright, that looks pretty good to me.